What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for watching and thank you for dropping by. Nolasco here. Welcome to the Nike Factory Store. As you can see, buy more, save more. When you buy 2 or 3 and 4, 30% off. And as you can see, we got spotted something, the Jordan 35, and this is a newly Jordan release we had seen here. This one is returned, so not much going on, not too much exciting to see this one. So what do you think on this one though? Maybe not. Okay, first up we got the Nike Air Max 2090, 89.99. With this one other colorway, we got the white and black and pure platinum, 89 as well. And this one is the wolf gray, same 109.99. Nike Air Max 1 DNA. What do you think? 89.99. So this one is the Air Max Lights. Retail is 140. They're selling for 54.99. Good deal on the Air Max 200. They are selling for 59 with the addition of 20% off. And Air Max Tailwind, another good deal for 69.99. Good looking Nike Flight Legacy, and the price and the quality of this one is not bad for that some kind of leather. 69. This Air Force One high suede is not bad for the color, but the price kind of little bit high for now. Moving on with the trash shoe, we got the Overreact Flyknit, and it's still a little bit higher price, 149.99. I will pass. Okay, we got the Nike Space Hippie 4. This one, another trash. I'm gonna leave this behind, and they're still in retail. We got the Element 87, retail 160, selling for, and this Tennis Classic CS, and the price not bad, 34.97 to the 20 and at 30. Next one, we got the Nike Sky Force 3/4, and this one is not bad for the quality of this one. I like it though, 59.99. Joyride still sitting here, and they have the additional 20% with the additional 30% if you buy more. Lebron Low, 89.99. Another Lebron Low for 119.99. Jordan Future, this one's been sitting here, 69 with additional 20, additional 30% off. Not bad for the price. Oof. I'm very tempted to get this one. Jordan Pro 3X still sitting here, same price last week with the additional discount. Same Pro Throw, 79.97. Alright, we are in the clearance war hash wall, and as you can see, with additional 20% off footwear. We got the Air Max 720, Air Max 95 for 79.97 with a 20% off and additional 30. So how about the Jordan Air Max Aura for 59.97? Nice color though. So how about the Nike Renew Run SE? Nice price, 39. How about the Air Max Tailwind? Look at those color. And this one, Jordan Ultra 2 Low. What do you think? 49.99. So how about the Kyrie S2 119.97? Nice color. I like it though. Oof, if it could been like oopsie, like somewhere 70 or 65. I'll wait. Okay, we got the Jordan Why Not 0.37997 fade away. Look at those price for 49.97. Not bad. Well, how about the Renew Run again? 44.97. Well, how about the Kyrie 6 119? Still high price. How about the Jordan Metamorph Utility 59.97? Nike Air Zoom Type, and here we go. This is the one. I really like this one, and it's looked like really good on me. I like it a lot. So this one is 79.99. And how about this one? Oh, come on. Moving back on the Jordan Delta for 140, 139. Huh? No way. Still in retail with an additional 20 though, with additional 30%. So, not bad. Now we are in women's section. Same with the discount of 20% off. And I spotted this Nike Air Presto 119. Ooh, nice color. Nice price for the women's. What do you think? And how about this one? We got the Nike Dunk Low Disrupt. This one is just released and they are selling for 79. Oh, look, this one's nice for Christmas for 97 with the additional discount. Okay, so this is our haul from the Nike factory store. So I'm gonna do a quick review on this one. I really need to pick this socks right here. So based on our receipt, socks right here is $4.97. After the discount, it went down to $3.47. So I pick up socks for the family for this coming Christmas, and this is the price mistake that I'm telling you about. This is the Nike Air Zoom type, and I've been eyeing on this one for a while when they dropped the price somewhere 99, and actually when I bought this one it was still ringing up on 99. But the one right here is 79.97, which is the supposed to be the price. The box right here is 29.97. So this is one of maybe sometimes a mistake of a employee that they put on a wrong sticker. So when you see this one, you see in the store that there is some kind of price mistake, ask the employee or ask someone in the when you are checking out, is this a price mistake? Then still they will honor the sticker and the other ones that has the correct price tag, which is $79.97. They will do that. So after the discount, this is the cheapest one that I bought on the Nike factory store. That the retail is $150 and getting them for. So as you can see right here on the receipt, the actual after the discount is $16.70. Can you believe that? And after this one, which $79.97 after the discount, is $44.78. What do you think on this price mistake on the Nike factory store? I would love to hear your thought. Please leave a comment down below, and if you really like it, can you please leave a thumbs up? And with that said, thank you for watching. Nolasco here. I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Mag-ingat kayo. Bye-bye.